Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for your home crochet decor. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting ideas. Today's video is all about crochet cup coasters. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding ideas. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheted cup coasters are both functional and decorative, offering a variety of benefits. Here are some potential benefits of using crocheted cup coasters. The first and the main one is protects furniture. Coasters help protect your table from heat, moisture, and stains from hot or cold drinks. Eco-friendly. Crochet coasters are reusable and made from natural fibers, making them more sustainable than paper or disposable options. Customization. You can easily customize them with color, patterns, and size to match your home decor. Insulation. They help insulate hot cups, keeping your surfaces safe from the heat damages. Easy to clean. Many crochet coasters are machine washable or can be cleaned with a quick hand wash. Affordable. Once you have a basic materials, they are inexpensive to make yourself. Durable. Crochet coasters can last for a long time if made with high quality yarn and proper care. Aesthetic appeal. The handmade natural of crochet adds a personal cozy touch to any setting. Perfect gifting. Crocheted coasters make wonderful, thoughtful gifts for housewarming parties, birthdays, or holidays. Hobbycraft. Crocheting your own coasters can be a relaxing and rewarding hobby. Lightweight crocheted coasters are light and easy to store when not in use. What style? They can be used for cups, mugs, glasses, or even as small trivets for bowls or plates. Heat resistance. Depending on the materials, crocheted coasters can offer a level of heat resistance for hot cup of tea, coffee, or other drinks. Can be made from various materials. Cotton, wool, or bamboo yarns all provide different textures and benefits. Improve fine motor skills. Crocheting coasters is a good practice for improving hand-eye coordination and dexterity. Perfect for dyers. Making your own coasters is an excellent dye project for crafters of all skill levels. Portable. Easy to carry with traveling, especially if you want a little piece of home with you. Creates conversation. Handmade items often spark conversations, making crocheted coasters a fun icebreaker. Multiple uses. Besides being coasters, they can double as pot holders or decorative pieces. Keep drinks stable. The texture of crochet can help grip the bottom of the cup and prevent slipping. Personalized design. You can add personal touch like initials or symbols to make them even more unique.